In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the wrap feature in Onshape. The wrap feature can be applied to a cylindrical shape like this. It can also be applied to a conical shape like this. This is a fantastic feature if you want to add a detail to a cylindrical or conical shape as an extrusion. The method of using it is actually quite simple. The wrap feature can be found here near the transform flyout menu by clicking that little arrow. It requires a tool, which is the sketch to be wrapped, and a target, which is the surface that the wrap is going to be applied to. Not necessarily required, but a step that makes visualizing a little bit easier is to add a plane. You can add a plane by clicking up here, then offset that plane to a distance that'll place the sketch outside of the cylinder. You can now create a sketch on that plane. To demonstrate, I'll just use a simple ellipse. That sketch is now floating above the cylinder. I'll now select that wrap tool. In the tool variable, I'll select the sketch. In the target variable, I'll select the surface of the cylinder. I'll now change the dialog from surface to solid. I can change the distance that I'd like the wrap to protrude. The default value is 2.5 millimeters. I'm just going to change that to 2. Click the tick to complete. Now you can see that feature has been extruded off the cylindrical shape. This is something that would normally be difficult to do because you can't sketch directly onto a cylindrical surface. The same process can be followed for a conical surface. Creating an offset plane, creating a sketch to be wrapped on that plane, always remembering to click the tick when you've completed the sketch, then selecting the wrap feature in the tool variable, selecting the sketch to be wrapped in the target variable, sketching the surface that it's going to be placed on. Again, I'm changing that to solid and changing it to 2 millimeters. That's all you need to know to use the wrap feature on a cylindrical or a conical face. See you next time.